how to start a Spotify group session in just a few minutes. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can start a Spotify group session very quickly. All that you guys need to do is simply open up Spotify on your phone, and then after that simply come onto your homepage. Now from over here, if you guys are playing any song, simply open up that song, and then at the bottom you guys are basically gonna be seeing this speaker. Simply click on this, and then now from over here you guys can see the option to start a remote group session. Simply click on that, and then once you guys click on that, you guys can simply click on invite friends, and you guys can invite as many people as you want by simply sharing the link or by simply sending the link via WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, or text messages. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually start a group session, and you can invite up to 7 friends. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.